Hey guys, welcome back to CupCa Toys and Games. Today we'll be opening some Kinder eggs for Easter 2018. These are the new Easter editions. Also, we're going to be checking out this cute bunny. He dispenses candy, so we'll be checking him out later. Let's open these up and see what's inside. What cool toys that they gave us for 2018 Easter that's inside.
Can't wait.
Yeah, me too. Okay, you go first. Try the yellow.
I think it's a chick.
Yeah, it looks like a chicken from the outside. Ooh, wait, let's see what this is first. This feels like the candy, and this is a little spoon. Okay, let's see what this is first. Let's open this guy up.
Just put this right
See
here.
what the candy looks like. Ooh.
Looks like chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate with cream. It's like so delicious and yummy. It's like a wafer. Let's see what it looks like inside. It's really soft. There you go. There's a wafer inside with cream on the top. And then there's chocolate at the bottom. There's the cream. See the chocolate at the bottom? And this wafer is very crunchy and nice. You want to taste it?
Sure.
Yes, give you some with the wafer. How is it?
Good.
Let me try. Mmm. Wow, this is delicious. So why don't you open the toys and leave me with all of the chocolate, and I would get rid of them for you. Does that sound like a plan? I eat all the chocolate and you open up all the toys?
I don't think so.
Okay, let's save this for later. Okay, see, what toy did you get? And you said it was a chicken because it looked like a chicken on the outside.
Yep. And it looks like it's a
You
frog.
were wrong. It's a frog. It's not a chicken.
Well,
So this frog comes with a little string that you put it through there if you wanted to have it as like a keychain or something onto your backpack. Instructions on how to put it together. So let's put this guy together and see what he does. He sits on his lily pad somehow. There we go. So what he does is, what does he do?
it looks like he's
Yeah,
like a
you show
little
them.
color pencil.
Yep. Show them what he does. He writes red pencil. So that's what our green frog does. He comes with a little pencil and his lily pad. Alright, let's see what I got. So I'm opening up the orange, and I'm not sure what that looks like, so I'm not even gonna guess.
Looks like a little snake.
A snake. Okay, let's see. Save the candy for later with our spoon. That thing is really sweet, huh?
Yep.
Nope. We got a chicken, a pink chicken. Here's one of those strings again.
Yep. I guess you can put all of them on keychains.
Yeah, you could do that. But he just pink and red chicken. And this is supposed to be his feet, I'm guessing.
Yep. Looks
Yep.
like it.
Yellow feet. I guess this is grass.
Yep.
Pink and red chicken. He doesn't do anything. He doesn't have anything. He's just
A collectible.
a collectible. Get rid of that. Oh, he comes with stickers.
I guess you can put him on them.
Yeah. We'll do that later. So
Or
let's put him
her.
right next to the frog. Okay, you choose another one. You want a blue?
Sure. And it looks like it is
looks like a bunny.
bunny.
Let's see if we're right.
This one is hard to open.
Yeah, I probably need more chocolate.
Huh? don't know. You
Okay.
try.
I'll help you. Chocolate aside for later. Put a spoon off here.
Let's see.
Another chicken. Did you say it was a chicken or a bunny?
I don't think
Oh,
I
you
said
thought
it was a bunny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the package tricked us.
Again.
Yeah. Comes with stickers, so we got 2 of those.
Hopefully we get another one.
Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna go with pink. Oh, it looks like a chicken again. Or maybe a duck. Chicken.
Maybe it's a duck.
Let's see.
Chocolate aside.
Oh, I got a bunny.
You did?
Yep. Got a bunny. It looks like there's a little paintbrush
Ooh.
at the bottom on his head. This is his body. Let's put him together. And then this is his paint. It looks like it's watercolor paint, yellow and red. Let's see if it works. So we have a cup here with some water. You want to test it out?
Okay. I think I might need some more paint.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Did it work?
Not
Okay,
sure.
let me test it. Let's try the yellow. Probably need a little bit more like that.
Yeah.
Well, you can see it a little bit.
And it shows you
Oh, is
how
it
to
orange? I don't think it's red.
hold it.
It's orange. Yeah? Oh, that is cute.
I think it's because we mixed it.
Yep, it works. That was orange, not red. Oh, this is neat. I like this. He might be my favorite. Okay. Put this aside. Right. How about a green?
Okay. This one looks like a frog.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's gonna be one.
Yeah, I don't think we should look at what the package says, because it's really tricking us.
These are so hard.
Eat more chocolate. No, don't do that. Don't eat more chocolate. You will be sick. Let me help you. There we go. Okay, see what your mystery is. Maybe it's a frog.
It's a bunny again.
Oh, it's the blue bunny. The painting. The same colors.
Yellow and red.
Maybe I put them on the wrong way.
Might have.
Oh no, that was the right way. His tail was. There we go. So we got the same bunny. 2 blue bunnies, 2 pink and red chickens, and 1 frog. Okay, let me try. I'll try the white. He looks like a bunny. Watch it be like a chicken or something.
Nope,
It's
frog.
a frog.
Now we got 2 frogs. 2 of each.
Right,
So
he does
hard.
the same thing. He writes. Let's put him on his lily pad. Put him over here. All right, so there's blank and blank. Take that one.
Okay. I got this one. looks like I got some sort of game.
So, let's put this together.
I think this is the middle.
No, this is the middle. So this one was in the box with the Easter, in the Easter section, but I don't think that this is part of the Easter collection. This is so hard. Okay, I think I got it.
It looks like it comes
What
with
is this
the...
for? Oh, this is for the top, I guess.
Maybe.
No, the bottom. It's for the bottom. I guess you're supposed to spin it like that? You're supposed to put this, these guys in here somehow.
I think it goes in. You did it right. I think it's like this. And it... Not sure.
Yeah, we did it. Let me help you. What's wrong with this thing? Actually, I think it goes at the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, it goes at the bottom like that. We were doing it wrong. Where is it? Right there. Yep. Here.
Looks like it comes with a cheetah.
Okay, so we can put him over here, I guess. How does it go?
I think it goes on top there.
I guess it doesn't stay. Well,
It comes with a tiger.
tiger. We'll put him over here. Maybe you just lay them out like that.
A cat.
And what's the other one?
A lion.
Okay, we'll do like this. Put the lion over here. That cat over here. And then guess what you do is
It
you
might go the
spin it.
other way though. No.
Doesn't.
But it has numbers on the back.
So you just spin it. That's basically a top. You put these guys in here. It goes by points. And what you do is, if you can get it to stay on, is you spin this.
And whoever has the most points wins.
Yeah, but these are not staying, so that's a questionable toy. Alright, let's see. Our last one.
Let's hope we get something different.
Oh, we did.
Looks like a
Like
little
a ball.
ball. And it shows you how to make little cups too. Right? I guess you kind
Okay,
of
you build. It's like a little.
ping pong.
No, it's a basket. Build your own baskets. You can instructions on how to build your own basket. And what you do is you put the points on the outside of the basket, 5, 10, 20, 30, and you try to throw your ball into one of the baskets. See how much points you can get. Alright, let's put this ball together and see how it works.
It looks as small as a ping pong ball.
Yep.
So they just clip on to each other.
Yeah, they clip onto each other like that. Doesn't matter what color goes where. You just kind of do it like that. Then we can switch it around. See, blue right there, and it clicks.
That's when you know it's in.
And one more. This one can go right here. There you have it, your ball. And the whole idea of this is, let's just use this cup as an example. Let's say this is a 5-point or 20-point. You're going to have little baskets that you're going to create, and you're going to stand from afar and try to throw your ball in. Like that. And see if you can get it in all the baskets without dropping the ball. 5, 10, 15, 20. For example. That's what we got. So we got 2 chickens, 2 frogs, and
2 bunnies.
2 bunnies. You got a ball that you need to create some baskets for. And you got this spinning top thing that comes with 4 animals and some numbers. Now for the fun part. Let's see what this cute bunny does. It says remove the tab. Happy Easter, he says.
And he makes little bouncing noises.
Okay. All right. Happy Easter to you too, Mr. Bunny. Okay. So he has some candy in him.
He dispenses it.
He dispenses it. But the question is, where is the candy? Okay, so what you do is you just push down on him.
Or maybe his tail?
Oh, there you go. Maybe.
Yep.
Oh,
There's
there's
his
this
tail.
one. What do you
I think you push it down and push it up again. I think there's, yep.
Oh, there it is. Put his tail up to get the candy out, and you push down on him. Oh, there's a yellow and 2 blues. Do you want to try one?
Sure.
Try the orange. I'll try the blue. Oh, maybe I won't. Okay, let's see.
It tastes good.
Super sweet. Too sweet.
Not for me.
Too sweet. Okay. Oh, we got red. What are the colors? Does he have green?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, orange.
Oh, yeah, he does.
He does have green.
And if you want to close it, you can just push his tail back down.
So if you don't want any more candy to come out, you just push his tail back down. And that stops it from coming out of there. There you have it. There's a basket full of candy from our cute Mr. Bunny. that came from his tail. Happy Easter, guys. Hope you liked our video. Join us again next time for some more cool toys and games.
Bye. See you later.